Elon Musk just placed a massive bet on the future of work. SpaceX has officially secured an option to acquire Cursor AI for a record-shattering $60 billion, dropping a $10 billion down payment just for the partnership. But why is a rocket company paying billions for a code editor? Because for us, the solopreneurs and small business owners, Cursor isn't just a developer tool anymore. It's a force multiplier that lets you build an automated business without a $100,000 developer on payroll. But as we hit April 2026, the shiny object phase is over. With new credit limits and rising competition, is the $20 a month Pro plan still the ultimate shortcut for your business? Or is it a subscription trap? In the next 6 minutes, I'm showing you the exact business automation Cursor built for me in minutes, the truth about the SpaceX deal, and my final verdict on if you should upgrade. Let's dive in. Here's the deal. SpaceX didn't just buy a tool, they bought context. The 4 MIT founders of Cursor realized early on that most AI tools are like a calculator. They only see the math you put right in front of them. But Cursor? It indexes your entire business. It understands your database, your website, and your automation scripts all at once. SpaceX needs that to manage mission-critical rocket code. You need it because it means you don't have to explain your business rules to an AI every single time you want to build something new. It already knows who you are and how your business works. That is the $60 billion secret. Let's get practical. I'm not a full-time dev, and you shouldn't have to be either. I'm telling Cursor, our lead follow-up is too slow. Build me a script that watches our Stripe account for new customers and automatically sends a personalized welcome email via resend. Watch this. It's not just writing code, it's installing the tools, connecting the APIs, and testing for errors. The before. This would have cost me $1,500 on Upwork and a week of back and forth emails. The after. Cursor did it in 4 minutes for the cost of my monthly subscription. This vibe coding, where you provide the vision and the AI handles the execution, is how small businesses are outcompeting big agencies in 2026. But is it worth the $20? Let's look at the math. The free tier. Great for window shopping, but you'll hit the limit the moment you try to build a real business tool. The Pro plan, $20 per month. This is the sweet spot. You get the agent mode I just showed you, plus the latest frontier models like Claude 4.5 and GPT-5. The ROI argument. If you value your time at just $50 an hour, and Cursor saves you a measly 25 minutes a month, the tool has paid for itself. Most solopreneurs I know are saving 10 to 15 hours a week. Pro tip: if you have a .edu email, you can still grab 1 year of Pro for free. Otherwise, go for the annual billing to save 20%. It brings it down to about $16 a month. People ask, why not just use GitHub Copilot for $10? Look, Copilot is great for professional coders who want to type faster. But for a business owner who wants to build features, Copilot feels like a plugin, while Cursor feels like a partner. For that extra $10, you're getting a tool that actually understands your business goals, not just your syntax. So, here is my 2026 verdict. If you are just curious about AI, stick to the free version. But if you are a solopreneur who is tired of being the bottleneck in your own business, upgrade to Pro today. The time you save on one automation will pay for the entire year. The SpaceX deal proves that AI native building is the future. Don't get left behind. Your turn. What's the one task in your business you wish you could automate? Let me know in the comments and I might build it in the next video. I've put my Solopreneur automation blueprint for Cursor in the description below. Grab it, subscribe to Metacore Innovations, and let's build something. I'll see you in the next one.